10:01 p.m. Here's my final update for the night. I'm going to bed. Still pretty windy out there. There's a plane coming by. It was a commercial jet. That power hasn't gone out all day, so I don't expect it to go out. The wind advisory expires at the high wind warning expires at 4 a.m. So if the power does go out and I wake up during the night and happen seeing it, I will come back and make a video of it. But if the power doesn't go out, expect a video in the morning and expect a wrap up on the windstorm documentary. It's going to be a little bit breezy tomorrow, but I'm ending the documentary once I wake up tomorrow. Yep, once the winds die down, I'm ending the documentary tomorrow when I wake up. If the power goes out and stays out, I'm keeping the documentary going until the power is restored, but I will be sleeping with this playing tonight, so I want to keep informed on what's going on, but good night, and expect to see a wrap up in the morning.